Hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? I hope you all are well. I will explain the relative pronoun and some example. First, relative pronoun is pronoun to form a relative clause, adjective clause. Relative clause itself is a subordinate clause that explain noun or pronoun in the main clause in a complex sentences. In relative clause, relative pronoun can function as subject, direct object, or possessive and do not represent number singular or plural or gender male or female in this position. Relative pronoun includes who, whom, whose, which, that. Then the formula of relative clause and complex sentences. The relative pronoun is part of a relative clause that cannot stand alone, but rather is in a complex sentences. While complex sentences is a combination of independent clause, whole sentence, and subordinate clause, relative clause. A clearer picture can be seen in the following formula. Relative clause, that is relative pronoun or subject plus verb. And the second, complex sentence is relative pronoun or subject. No. Complex sentences, that is independent clause plus relative clause. Example of relative clause and complex sentence. Relative pronoun, that. Relative clause, that I bought last week. Complex sentences. This is the book that I bought the last week. Use the example of relative pronoun sentences is relative clause. Who and whoever. Who and whoever atau anyone function to connect the noun in the form of a person, subject or object of sentence with a verb in relative clause. In relative clause, this relative pronoun function as a subject or object. Example of relative pronoun sentence. The boy who is playing football on the field is my neighbor. Who is subject of the is playing verb and forms a relative clause that explain the boy subject. That's all can I can explain. Maybe next time I will explain it in its entirety. Thank you. Bye bye.